Here we want to have the shoulders over the hands and the knees under the hips. What can happen, some people have their knees quite close, and that means you'll be quite scrunched up. Take the knees back, so the hands under the shoulders, knees are directly below the hips. You tuck your toes, you push actively down into the floor, so the shoulders even push down, then lift the knees, lift your butt up. My heels are quite high off the floor. I sometimes like to just pedal through my heels to get a bit more stretch through the calf muscles, through the hamstrings. Every day will be different. Even notice the shoulders. So if you come down for a moment, sometimes your hands need to be wider apart, a little bit wider than the shoulders, or fingers turned out rather than the fingers facing forward. That can change how the shoulder joints take the body weight. So again, hands under the shoulders, maybe those knees need to step back a little bit to be more under the hips. Toes tucked. Lift your butt up. Head drops, maybe between the arms. Pushing the head and chest back towards the knees. Again, my heels are quite off the floor. It doesn't matter. Maybe I can walk up and down through the heels, bending one knee. Maybe I can try to get those heels to settle, pushing into the floor more. As I push into the floor, my shoulders shrug around my ears, building strength in the arms, stretching the back line of the body from calves up through to hamstrings, coming down,